Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. This is part 2 of how to keep your truck's fuel clean and contamination-free. Now we'll dive into advanced tips and maintenance routines to keep your fuel in top shape. Let's jump right in. Using fuel additives and stabilizers. Fuel additives are like insurance for your diesel. A good one tackles multiple threats at once. Biocides kill bacteria and fungi before they form sludge. Use them seasonally, especially in humid climates. Water dispersants break up moisture so it burns off harmlessly instead of sinking to the tank's bottom. Stabilizers prevent fuel breakdown during long hauls or storage. They keep diesel fresh for months. Additives work best when used preventively. Pour them into a full tank right after refueling so they mix evenly. Check the manufacturer's dosing guide. Too little won't help and too much can gum up filters. Regularly testing fuel quality. Don't wait for engine trouble to check your fuel. Simple tests catch contamination early. Clear and bright test. Pour fuel into a glass jar. Cloudiness or layers mean water or debris is present. Water detection paste. Swab the tank's bottom. If the paste changes color, you've got moisture. Microbial test kits. These detect bacterial growth before it clogs filters. Test every few weeks or after extreme weather. Keep records to spot trends, like recurring water issues in humid months, minimizing exposure to moisture and air. Contaminants need a way in. Here's how to shut them out. Fill tanks after runs. A full tank leaves less room for condensation to form overnight. Seal vents and caps. Replace cracked gaskets and make sure vents have moisture traps. Park on level ground. Tilting leaves tank walls exposed to air, speeding up condensation. Use desiccant breathers. These filter moisture from air entering the tank while you drive. Small steps add up. A dry, sealed fuel system stays cleaner longer and saves you from surprise repairs. Routine maintenance and inspections. Contaminated fuel doesn't just happen overnight. It's often the result of skipped maintenance. A strict routine keeps water, dirt and microbes from taking over your fuel system. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Small, consistent efforts prevent bigger problems. Focus on filter changes, tank cleanings, and professional checkups to catch issues before they leave you stranded. Scheduled filter replacements. Fuel filters are your first line of defense. They trap water, rust, and debris before they reach the engine. But a clogged filter can't do its job, and a bypassed filter sends contaminants straight into sensitive parts. Here's how to stay ahead. Primary filters. Replace every 15,000 miles or per the manufacturer's recommendation, whichever comes first. Secondary filters. Swap these every 30,000 miles, but check them monthly for signs of clogs or water buildup. Emergency signs. If your truck struggles to start or loses power, inspect the filter immediately. A dark, sludge-coated filter means trouble. Stick to high-quality filters. Cheap ones may save money up front but often fail prematurely, costing more in repairs. Tank cleaning and sediment removal. Sludge settles at the bottom of your tank slowly, like silt in a riverbed. If ignored, it clogs filters and feeds microbial growth. A thorough cleaning every 12 to 24 months keeps it under control. Drain the tank completely. Remove all fuel to inspect for water or debris. Scrub the interior. Use a non-abrasive cleaner and a brush to loosen stubborn deposits. Avoid harsh chemicals that could degrade tank materials. Flush with fresh diesel. Rinse until no sediment remains, then dispose of the contaminated fuel safely. For trailers sitting idle, clean tanks before storage and after long downtime. Stagnant fuel invites bacteria. Professional fuel system inspections. Some problems hide where you can't see them. A mechanic with the right tools can spot early signs of corrosion, injector wear, or microbial infestations. Schedule a professional inspection. Annually. For trucks with regular use. Biannually. For older trucks or those operating in humid climates. After contamination scares. If you've dealt with bad fuel, get the system checked, even if symptoms fade. Pros use ultrasonic tests, pressure checks, and microscopic analysis to catch what visual inspections miss. It's the difference between guessing and knowing your fuel system's health. What to do if fuel contamination occurs. Even with strict prevention, contaminated fuel can still happen. The key is acting fast to minimize damage to your truck's engine and fuel system. Here's how to identify the problem, limit its impact, and decide if you need expert help. Identifying contaminated fuel. Suspect contamination if your truck shows any of these red flags. Visual checks. Drain a small sample into a clear container. Look for cloudiness, floating particles, or a water layer at the bottom. Unusual smells. Bad fuel often has a sour or musty odor from microbial growth. Sudden performance drops. Stalling, reduced power, or rough idling after refueling points to tainted diesel. If you spot these signs, don't keep driving. Contaminants can quickly damage injectors and fuel pumps. Steps to mitigate damage. Act immediately to protect your engine. Stop using the fuel. Shut off the engine to prevent contaminated diesel from circulating. Drain the tank. Remove all fuel and dispose of it safely. Never reuse contaminated diesel. Clean the system. Flush the tank, fuel lines and filters with fresh diesel or a cleaning solution. Replace filters. Install new primary and secondary filters to catch any remaining debris. Refill with clean fuel. Add a biocide to kill lingering microbes before adding fresh diesel. For mild contamination, these steps might resolve the issue, but severe cases need extra help. When to seek professional help. Some problems go beyond a simple flush. Call a mechanic if sludge or heavy debris clogs the system repeatedly after cleaning. The engine still misfires after replacing fuel and filters. You suspect internal damage to injectors or the fuel pump. Professionals have tools to deep clean tanks, test for hidden corrosion, and rebuild damaged components. The cost of a tow and repair beats replacing an entire fuel system. Quick action saves time and money. The longer contaminated fuel sits in your system, the worse the damage becomes. Your truck runs best on clean diesel. A little effort now means fewer breakdowns and better performance down the road. Ready to make it routine? Start with one step today. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.